Octopuses have 3 hearts, but 2 of them basically shut down when they swim, and that's exactly why octopuses prefer crawling instead of swimming. One heart pumps blood around the body, while the other 2 pump blood through the gills to pick up oxygen. But here's the weird part. When an octopus swims using jet propulsion, the main heart actually stops beating. That makes swimming extremely exhausting for them. So instead of swimming around like fish, they usually just walk along the ocean floor. 3 hearts, blue blood, 8 arms.